If you hate rushing every morning but still want to eat healthily, then let's dive into mastering the art of Sunday meal prepping. Let's break it down step by step to make your week effortlessly delicious and nutritious. Step 1. Plan your meals. Grab a pen and jot down your menu for the week. Think a rainbow of veggies, a variety of proteins, and some scrumptious grains. Got your list? Great, let's hit the store. Step 2. Grocery shopping. Stick to your list like glue, and remember, the perimeter of the store is your best friend for fresh goodies. Step 3. Prepare your kitchen. Clear those counters and get your chef's hat on. It's time to set up your stations. Washing, chopping, cooking, and of course, the all-important tasting station. Step 4. Cooking and preparing. Fire up those pots and let's cook in batches. While the quinoa is simmering, why not chop some veggies? Multitasking is key. Step 5. Portion and store. Use those fancy containers you bought and portion out your meals. Label them unless you enjoy surprise lunches. Step 6. Clean up. Keep that kitchen spotless as you go and maybe dance around a bit with that broom. Step 7. Enjoy and adapt. Heat, eat, and enjoy the fruits of your labor all week long. And remember, next Sunday is just around the corner for any tweaks you might want to make. And there you have it, folks. 7 easy steps to transform your Sundays into a launch pad for a stress-free week. Who knew a little chopping and stirring could bring so much peace?